All right. Now, for this spreadsheet right here, it's regards to capital expenditures. You can Google apartment investing or real estate investing in capital expenditures, and you can find the definition of it. In essence, it allows you to depreciate. It's a different way that you do your taxes on it. So here is a list of possible expenditures that you can use when you're planning on upgrading your property. But within this area over here, it gives you a calculator. Scroll down. It's like my total expenses. And what happens a lot of times is if a person's buying a property and they say, oh, it needs a new, let's say, parking lot or new fence or whatever it may be, what you'll do is you can look at the information and you plan it out, and then you can budget for it. So in year 2, we're going to spend X amount. It's going to cost this amount. And then you go you make a plan and you go ahead and accomplish your plan. This is